Now this is our next job. Got to fix up all these. Taking off some paint. Still a lot to go. That's alright. Prime all that, fill it, sand it, fill it, sand it. Not a drama. What we do have is a little bit of broken fiberglass. Just around here. It's very, very thin. So we'll just put a strip in there, like that. Strengthen it up, file it down. Beautiful. That and that. And I think the back part here. And the front part there's worn out. That's common. So we'll reinforce the hole here to the tank onto the frame, reinforce that, and a little strip there, just that. The rest of it looks alright. So most of this stuff you can see is pretty rotten there. So we'll fill that, make a new hole, Bob's your uncle. So, easy peasy. So I've put in some fiberglass reinforcing where it was worn thin, and some of those holes there for the side plates there were very, very worn. So I've just put on a coating of fiberglass. Those holes have got about 3 sheets on them there. There's 2 on the top there on that corner, pretty thin. Rest of the tank's alright. Now I had to pinch some fiberglass from a mate's container, and I think at some stage they've mixed some up, used it and put the rest back in. You don't do that, no. So anyway, lesson learned. So we've done all that, and the next few days that'll just set, and then I can cut that all off, smooth it down, bit of primer, smooth it down again, and it'll be sweet. All of the fiberglass work's been done, and you can see I've pre-drilled some holes where the bolts go through for the tank and the seat as well. Reinforce those, reinforce these here and around there. Done underneath. It's a little bit stronger now. So now we just cut them all off, and what I cut it with is an air tool. Rev's pretty slow rather than a angle grinder, because they're dangerous. So we just go ahead and cut them out. All the sanding's done so far. We'll just hit it with some primer, maybe some beer as well. See how that goes. This is our first coated primer. Very rough. After that I'll just go through it with some filler. Got some splitting here. I have to scrape out that so that I get under the old paint into the original fiberglass. So I'll fill that, fill up some scratches. There's a little dent in here in the top there that I'll fill. There's also some marks around the tank as well. There's a hole here which I'll fill with fiberglass, maybe fill from the inside. See how that goes. A little hole in there. Pretty much pretty good. Little holes. See there, those cracks there. We just scrape them all out, start from scratch on there, and then prime it again and fill it.